Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experience in the construction industries, trying to give a small presentation on interview questions and answer for road and pavement work. This is the part 1, part 2 and part 2, 3 shall be coming very soon. What is asphalt? Answer: a dark brown to black cementitious material with the predominating constituents or bitumens which occur in nature or are obtained in petroleum processing. What are the main desired properties of asphalt? Answer: consistency. Asphalt is a thermoplastic material because they are gradually liquefy when they are heated. They are characterized by their consistency at different temperature. Consistency is a term used to describe the degree of fluidity or plasticity of asphalt at any particular temperature. At a standard temperature, consistency of paving asphalt cement is commonly specified and measured by viscosity test or a penetration test. Purity. Asphalt cement is composed almost more than 99.5% of the bitumen, which by definition is soluble in carbon disulfide. Safety. Asphalt cement is heated to a high temperature, which will release the fumes that will flash in presence of a spark or a open flame. There is an adequate margin of safety if the flash point of the asphalt is known. What are the main functions of the base and subbase in the asphalt? Answer: base and subbase are structural elements of the pavement in conjunction with the overlaying asphalt surface. Their purpose is to distribute traffic wheel loads over a subgrade or a foundation. To perform this function, base and subbase must be built with the necessary internal strength properties. In this respect, full depth of asphalt pavement have a special advantage over pavements with a granular basis. What is the purity of the asphalt? Answer: asphalt cement is composed almost more than 99% of bitumen, which by definition is soluble in carbon disulfide. What is the function of asphalt base course? Answer: a foundation course layer which consisting of mineral aggregate, if bound together with asphalt material on which successive cores are placed. Question: what is the allowable normal thickness of asphalt layer? Answer: normal thickness of asphalt base course should be 80 mm and for a wearing course is a 40 mm. What are the stripping tests of aggregates? Answer: the coating of aggregate by a bitumen at a 150 degrees centigrade for keeping 1 hour in open. Visually assessment only required for a result explanations. What is the stiffness, that means rigidity, and how it is to be calculated? Answer: stiffness is caused that where low penetration asphalt is used. Such a low penetration asphalt causes the volume changes, making the pavement rigid. Such asphalt mixes give higher stability values and low flow values. Stiffness is equal to stability by flow. What is the stability? Answer: the stability is a test specimen is the maximum load resistance in kgs that the standard specimen will develop at 60 degrees centigrade in 30 minutes while remain in water when tested. What is the flow value? The flow value is the total movement or a displacement in units of mm occurring in the specimen between the no load and a maximum load during stability test. What are the air voids? Answer: the total volume of small packets of air between the coated aggregates particles throughout a compacted paving mixer. What is the consistency of the asphalt? Answer. It is a term used to describe the viscosity or fluidity or plasticity of asphalt at any particular temperature. What is the penetration test? It is a measurement of asphalt consistency test. Based on this test, asphalt cement can be classified into grade such as 40-50, 60-70, 85-100, 125-150, 200-300. The hardest grade is 40-50 and the softest grade is 200-300. Describe the position of the penetration test. In this test, a container of asphalt cement is heated at a standard temperature 25 degree in a controlled water bath. A prescribed needle weighing 1000 grams is allowed to burr the surface of the asphalt for 5 seconds. This distance is unit of 1/10 of mm, that is a 0.1 mm. The needle penetrates into the asphalt cement is the penetrate measurement. What is the softening point of between 60 degree to 70 degree grade? Answer. 47 degrees centigrade to 54 degrees centigrade. What is the residual density? It is the density at which we get the highest value of Marshall density with a regular increase of blows. What is the difference between the theoretical and compacted density? Theoretical density based on the SPG value and the others is simple density by a calculation. What is the overheated and overburnt asphalt? What should be the maximum temperature of asphalt at the batching plant? Answer. The mixing temperature of asphalt should be 160.5 degrees centigrade at the batching plant. But if the temperature is more than 205 or plus or minus 5 degrees centigrade, it is considered overheated and to be rejected. And if the difference between 163 to 105 degrees centigrade, it can be used if the sample is tested and the overall properties are falling within specified limits. Why the loss of stability test done in hot mix? To know the durability of the asphalt. What are the tests to be performed after taking the sample from the site? Answer. Preparation of Marshall molds, specific gravity of molds, stability of molds, loss of stability of molds, extraction of bitumen, grading of aggregate. That is the extracted samples. What is the variable speed of bitumen extraction machine? The variable speed of extraction apparatus should be up to 3,600 rotation per minute. Which chemicals are used to extract the bitumen from the bituminous mixer? Answer. Trichloroethylene, methylene chloride, benzene, ammonium carbonate. If the grading is out of aggregate content is more than, what will you do? Answer. 1 meter by 1 meter sample by jackhammer for extraction. Stop the plant and take the sample from hard bin aggregate and done the individually grading. If the problem is coming, then check the hard bin sample source. If the problem is coming also, now then check the plant using COs. Check the computer functioning. If again ask for the calibration. If not, then take the trial and modify the plant trial. What is the use of silicons in hot mix? Silicons are added to asphalt under certain conditions to reduce the effects of moisture. It may be added to a hot asphalt to prevent foaming while in storage. Used to prevent hardening of asphalt concreting in shortage. To prevent slumping and segregation of the mixer during transportation and tearing of the mix during laydown. What is the use of rubber in asphalt? Natural, synthetic and reclaimed rubber in the form of powder, crumbs, pellets and latex has been used in asphalt to alter certain properties, usually in amounts ranging from 1 to 5 percentage, materially changes the properties of the asphalt. The purpose for using the rubberized asphalt has been to obtain a material possessing improved elasticity, increased adhesion, and greater resistance to fracture at a lower temperature. What is a cutback asphalt and what are the different types of this? The viscosity of which has been reduced by a volatile diluent. The volatile gets the evaporated and the binder develops the binding properties. The viscosity of cutback asphalt and its rates of hardening the road depend upon the quality of the bitumen and volatile petrol solvents. What are the main types and their function of the cutback of asphalt? Answer: rapid curing, medium curing, slow curing, raid curing. It composed asphalt cement and naphtha are a gasoline type diluents of high volatility. Medium curing, if composed of asphalt cement and kerosene type diluents of medium volatility. Slow curing, it composed of asphalt cement and oil of low volatility. What is a tack coat of asphalt? It is a very light application of the asphalt, usually asphalt emulsion diluted with water. It provides a bond between an existing pavement and an asphalting layer, which is to being placed over it. What is the rate of application of tack coat? Less than 0.25 liters per square meter. What is the prime coat? Prime coat is an initial application of low viscosity emulsified or cutback asphalt to a absorbent surfaces. It is used to prepare an untreated base for an asphalt surfaces. It penetrates into the base and plugs the voids, hardens the top and helps bind it to the overlaying asphalt course. What are the applications of the prime coat? Waterproofing the surface of the base, reducing the capillary voids, coating and bonding loose mineral particles, hardening or toughening the surface. What is the range of rate of application of prime coat? Answer: 0.65 to 1.75 liters per square meter. In case of the excessive spray, what should be done? In this case, when asphalt is not entirely absorbed by the base within 24 hours, the excess should be removed with just enough sand to prevent pickup under traffic. If spray on wet surface, what will be the side effect? It will stripe off. In this case, extend the curing time and normally 24 hours required for a curing period after initial spray. How to recognize the RC2 from MC1? Answer: RC2, it gives the smells of a gasoline as a bitumen is diluted with a gasoline, and if thinner is then MC1 and when it is dried it is faster than MC1. MC1, it gives the smells of a kerosene as bitumen diluted with a kerosene is called MC1. What is a seal coat and how many types of seal coats? Actually, a seal coat is a thin surface treatment that may or may not be covered or combined with aggregate. Types: fog seal, slurry seal. What is a fog seal? It is a light application of emulsified asphalt, usually without aggregate cover. The main purpose of fog seal are reduced entrance of air and water into the pavement, prevent raveling of a pavement. What is a slurry seal? It is a mixture of slow setting asphalt emulsion, fine aggregates, mineral filler, and water mixture is poured into the pits and crack in the pavement. What is the surface treatment of asphalt? A sprayed on application of asphalt is a wearing surface with or without a thin layer of covering. An aggregate is called asphalt surface treatment. What is an asphalt surface treatment? What are the type of surface treatment? Asphalt surface treatment is an application of asphaltic material to any type of road pavement surfaces with or without the cover of mineral aggregates, which produce an increase in thickness of not less than 25 mm. Types: single surface treatment, multiple surface treatment, double surface treatment. What is a mineral filler? The mineral filler consists of limestone dust, Portland cement, or other suitable mineral matter. It should be thoroughly dried and free of lumps, consisting of aggregates of fine particles. It should be passed from the CO number 30 and 65% passing on CO number 200. What are the various types of mineral filler? There are 4 different types of mineral filler: limestone dust, kaolin clay, fuller's earth, short fibered asbestos. What is the asphalt laying procedures? Hot mix should be laid longitudinally in line, and joints should be cut in straight line or by using a straight edge to maintain the uniformity in laying. What is the permissible speed of a paver while paving the asphalt? While paving the asphalt, the speed of paver should be 4 to 6.1 meter minimum. What is the weight of STR, that is steel tandem roller? The weight of the roller should be between 8 to 12 tons. What is the weight of PTR, pneumatic tandem roller? The weight of PTR should be in between 20 to 25 tons, and the tire pressure should be in between 6 to 6.35 kgs per centimeter square or 80 to 110 pounds per square inch. What is the range of volume of asphalt mold for a unit correction factor? 509 to 522 cc for 4 inches diameter and 2.5 in height. What is the rolling operation of asphalt pavement? Rolling should be start as soon as possible after the material has been spread at a temperature of 140 degrees centigrade. Rolling consists of 3 consecutive phases: breakdown rolling, intermediate rolling, final rolling. Rolling compacts the material beyond the compaction imparted by the paver to obtain practically all of the needed density. Final rolling removes roller marks and other blemishes left from the previous rolling. Steel wheel rollers vibrating by a configuration are the 2-axle tandem rollers weighing 3 to 14 tons or more. Pneumatic tired rollers have to 8 wheels in front and 4 to 8 wheels in the near, weighing about 3 to 35 tons. For the final rolling, combination of steel vibrating and pneumatic tired rollers are used. What temperature of asphalt is required to stop the rolling? No proper temperature has been assigned where the rolling of asphalt can be stopped. Rolling can be stopped only where it is observed that the asphalt will probably give not good result of density, even far from the specified values, and also if the temperature of asphalt is below the 90 degrees centigrade, rolling cannot be done in a proper way and asphalt cannot be compacted. What is the limitation of Marshall method of mix design? It is applicable to the asphalt mixers having up to 1 inches maximum of aggregates. What are the specified air voids for asphalt wearing and base course? Wearing course is 4 to 7%, base course is 5 to 8%. What is the specified flow of asphalt wearing and base course? Wearing course 2 to 3.5 heavy traffic, 2.4 to 4 light to medium. Base course is 2.35 heavy traffic and 2.4 to 4 light or medium. What is the minimum value of a Marshall stability? Wearing course 1000 kgs, base course is 1000 kgs. What is the tolerance between the maximum and the minimum SPG values of the Marshall molds? 0.02 gram per cc. How many blows are given on each side of the molds? The Marshall specimen are compacted with 75 blows of a hammer on both sides. When correction factor is applicable, is stability test. Correction factor is applied according to the volume of asphalt mold or thickness of the asphalt mold. It is determined by multiplying the correction factor with obtained. What is fall and weight of Marshall hammer? Hammer weight 6.5 kgs and fall of hammer is 18 inches. Define DBM, that is the dense base course macadam mix method. Dense base course macadam mix is a mix which gives coarse aggregate then base course 1 to 1.5 inch and have a separate method. What are the different type of mixes and methods? Marshall method, that is the ASTM D1559. Hovey method, ASTM 1560D 1561. Hubbard field method, ASTO T169 and ASTM D1138. Immersion compression method, ASTM D1075 and ASTO T165. How will you find the optimum asphalt content while preparing hot mix design? Answer. Asphalt content at a maximum stability of 4.83%, asphalt content at a maximum unit weight of 5.1%, asphalt content at a median air void 4.8%, optimum asphalt content is 4.91%. What are the desired properties of asphalt mix design? Stability, durability, flexibility, fatigue resistance, skid resistance, impermeability and workability. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and like and share, which will motivate me for further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. Contact me civilconclave@gmail.com or at my telegram group, ask Srini at the telegram groups. Link is as follows. Once again, thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe and motivate me for a further good presentation. In future, you will find interview questions for a building construction, a bridge construction and various other type of a construction. Thank you once again. Please subscribe. Thanks.